Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, my dear students, today I am going to teach you English. Yes, in English, today we will learn alphabet K. This is capital K and this is small k. Students, in previous classes we have studied alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and today I am going to teach you alphabet K. Students, the phonic sound of letter K is K. The phonic sound of letter K is K. Now I am going to tell you a story of letter K. So listen carefully. This is chemo. This is a sad K, K, koala. This is Kittu, the K, K, kitten comes to play with him every day. One day, K, K, Kittu meets Dr. K, K, kangaroo. So, the doctor K, K, kangaroo gives him a golden K, K, key. And Dr. Kangaroo gives him a K, K, kite also. So, my dear students, this is the story of letter K. You have to learn so many words that starts from letter K, like koala, kitten, kite, key, kangaroo. There are so many words. So you have to learn all these words. Alright? Thank you.